IO-Link Safety is exactly the IO-Link, but certified according to those standards, PLE, CO3 according to 13849 and 62061. Right, is this point-to-point field-safe communication from the sensors and devices to the fieldbus level. It's standardized according to this fantastic standard 61139/2, harmonized, and it's compatible with different field buses, which means that IO-Link Safety is not a field bus, it's a point-to-point communication, but it can be communicated through different field buses. With IO-Link Safety, that's the main difference. We can get all the sensor data from the sensor through the remote I/O and the PLC level. So, for instance, we can know each and every beam of the light curtain, we can know the status, we can know the intensity of the signal, and so on. So all this data is now available from the PLC level, so we are able to know and extract this data and to work with this data afterwards, right? For this, of course, we will need a safety PLC, which is able to talk Profinet, ProfiSafe in this case, the remote I/O able for that, and the sensors. And next year, which is the remote master IP67, which has 4 ports of IO-Link Safety and also different I/O fail-safe ports. And then we are also bringing to the market the sensors. We have a safety gate system, which is a door with a gate box with different push buttons that we can connect all together with different sensors in series. And also we have the light curtain, which can be connected over here. Of course, the same ports of IO-Link Safety can be connected with IO-Link standard devices, which is quite important, as that's why we are mentioning here IO-Link devices. And the same remote IP67 can connect to OSSD devices. There is an increase of quality, speed of mounting and commissioning, and also an efficiency with a reduced cost. Why? Because we are using exactly the same products, but those products, we can extract all the data, so we can increase the diagnostic and we can increase the predictive maintenance. Therefore, we are decreasing the cost out of it, right? That's why we say that we're increasing productivity. Another main benefit is the innovative machine concepts, because now with, for instance, the light curtains, we can know the information of each and every beam of the light curtain, so we can even adapt the machine depending on the status of the light curtain. So we can optimize the machines thanks to this data that we are extracting from the sensor. And last but not least, economical maintenance. So as you have seen, it's IP67, the master. So the sensors is just plug and play. It's an M12 5-pin connection, plug and play. You don't need to have any qualifications on softwares, on programming, on anything. It's just plugging and play the devices. That's the main summary. First of all, IO-Link Safety. It's a point-to-point communication, field safe, independent, that are certified according to 13849 with a PLE level, CO3 according to 62061, and also that the Pilz is the single source provider. We are providing the master and the sensors all in one next year.